Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, TDS, that is Tata Advanced System, to unveil ALTGS. Tata Advanced System has confirmed its participation in the Indian Army's tender for 400 advanced 155 mm 52 caliber towed gun systems. The company is developing a lighter version of its acclaimed Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, that is ATAGS, specially designed to meet the Army's requirement for a gun weighing under 15 tons. Next, INS Aridaman and S4 on the horizon. India's nuclear submarine fleet is set to grow significantly in the growing years with the commissioning of 2 new ballistic missile submarine. The third SSBN INS Arindaman or S4 is scheduled to join the Navy next year, followed closely by a fourth SSBN code-named S4 Star. S4 class of submarines, to which both Aridaman and S4 Star belong, are stretched variant of the Arihant class. These submarines boast a submerged displacement of 7,000 tons, an increase of 1,000 tons compared to their predecessor. The additional displacement provides greater internal volume, allowing for the integration of advanced system and weaponry. Next, scaling up Astra Mk1 production. Vinod Kumar, General Manager NP&OP at Bharat Dynamics Limited, has announced that the Indian Air Force clearance for the production of the Astra Mk1 missile marks a significant milestone for the company. This clearance is expected to bolster BDL's effort to scale up production of the Beyond Visual Range missile, which is a key component of India's air defense capabilities. Next, should Brazil be offered a role in the MCAF program? The JAS-39 Gripen is currently the most advanced fighter jet in the inventory of the Brazilian Air Force. As a 4.5 generation multi-role fighter, the Gripen has enhanced Brazil's air combat capabilities significantly. However, with global air force moving towards 5th generation platforms, Brazil may soon find itself in need of a more advanced fighters to maintain parity with potential adversities. Next, technology transfer and local partnership for Gripen E. SAB India has highlighted its commitment to technology transfer beyond the establishment of local assembly lines. The Swadeshi Aerospace and Defense Company aims to bolster the local defense industry by partnering the indigenous suppliers in its global supply chain. Next, showcasing XLUUV demonstrator to Indian ambassador. Naval Group, a leading naval defense company in France, recently hosted Ambassador Javed Ashraf and other Indian dignitaries at its facility in Lagubran. The visit provided an opportunity for the Indian delegation to witness the capabilities of the company's XLUUV demonstrator and learn about its ongoing UCUV program. The XLUUV, an unmanned underwater vehicle, showcased its advanced features and potential applications during the visit. Thank you.